Hello everyone. Every step I'm going to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax. We're going to fix this. When your Ford Fusion shows the message, Service AdvanceTrac, the car is basically saying, something isn't right with my stability control, so I'm shutting it off before things get worse. It doesn't mean the car will shut down or that the engine is damaged, but it does mean the traction, stability, and sometimes ABS systems stop working until the issue is resolved. This is where the mechanics at this shop tend to agree. Most of the time, the problem isn't serious, even though the message can be alarming. One of the most common causes is low or unstable voltage. A weak battery, a newly replaced but poorly connected battery, or even a loose alternator can confuse the system and trigger the warning without anything actually being broken. Along the same electrical line, many mechanics report that after a battery change or when a battery starts to fail, multiple warning lights appear at the same time. AdvanceTrac, ABS, traction control, all together. In more than one case, simply replacing the battery or correcting the voltage made the message disappear as if nothing had happened. Now, if the voltage is fine and the message is still there, the next suspect is a wheel speed sensor, also known as the ABS sensor. These sensors tell the car how fast each wheel is spinning, and if one sends bad data, the system doesn't know what's happening and shuts down for safety. Many people have fixed the problem by replacing just one sensor, not the entire system. Everything starts to connect here, because when a sensor fails, AdvanceTrac loses reference, the ABS deactivates, and the message appears. That's why mechanics recommend scanning with a proper tool, like ForeScan, since cheap readers often don't show the real codes from the stability system. Continuing with sensors, another point is the steering angle sensor or clock spring. If the car thinks the steering wheel is turned when it's not, the system gets confused. In these cases, you don't always need to replace parts. A recalibration with a scanner is often enough, and the message disappears. Now, if all of that checks out, the more experienced mechanics recommend inspecting wiring and connectors. Vibrations, moisture, or even rodents can damage a sensor wire, and that's enough for AdvanceTrac to shut down. There are real cases where simply reconnecting a loose harness fixed the problem. One detail many people overlook is brake fluid level. When it's low, the ABS system doesn't work properly, and AdvanceTrac disables itself as a safety measure. It's not the most common cause, but it has been the culprit in more than one Fusion.